What's cracking, YouTube? So today, it's a cold day in Virginia. A little sunny though. But this morning I'm here to talk about the one thing I'm really not a fan of. The Trailblazer SS. And that's the exhaust. It's VA power, but it doesn't sound like anything. So I was looking for a dual outlet exhaust. So I bought an SLP exhaust from a vendor. Week went by, never received my product, no tracking, customer service was bad. So I actually called SLP themselves. They said they was back ordered like 2 months on one. So I got my money back. So I'm gonna go another route, try to get some sound out of this thing. So we'll see what happens. So I'm back. Like I said, I had issues with SLP being back ordered, so I took my car to a local muffler shop here. See if they can add the pipes to a dual outlet. As you can see, they did. Now I'm just gonna have to go in here and pave everything, see how it sounds. So I'm back. Try to give you a sound clip real quick, how it sounds a cold start. Let's take the sounds completely different. Actually sounds like a truck now versus a car. I'm satisfied. I'm ready to take it down the street.